Hey guys, so available na ang ating social media service provider. Okay, so this is Trend with Threads, very first project kung saan pwede na tayong makapag-buy ng followers, okay, likes, shares, or views. In short, it's a social media booster. Panahon ngayon talagang marami na talaga na gustong mag-grow yung mga social media accounts natin for the purpose of monetization. So, hindi na tayo maghihirap no, na magpa-follow to follow or iba buwis-buhay na no, just to have followers, just to accomplish yung requirements ni Facebook, 'di ba? Hindi lang 'yan, meron din tayong Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media accounts you have. Kung alin yung social media accounts mo na gusto mong i-boost, okay, you can use Trend with Threads. And eto, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-create ng account at paano gagamitin si Trend with Threads. So, you can create free account here. Okay? Search nyo lang trendwiththreads.com. And dito sa menu, i-click mo lang yan and then click mo yung sign in. So, kapag wala ka pang account, you can create your account by clicking here. And, ayan. So, let's try to create an account. Fill up mo lang yan and make sure na active yung email. Then, click mo na yung create account. You can save the password. So, eto na yung landing page. So, pwede ka na mag-select ng any booster na gusto mo, yung package. So, nandiyan na rin yung price. So, for package yan guys. Okay? And, by the way, yung pambili natin dito or yung pang-payment natin is, we only accept Trend token. Okay? So, it's part of the pre-launch ng ating project. So, mas makakamura pa kayo dito guys. So, papakita ko sa inyo paano ba mag-buy or mag-add ng funds. So, make sure na meron kayong funds dito before you can buy these packages. Okay? Ayan, pwede Telegram, pwedeng Facebook. So, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-fund. So, i-click mo lang itong wallet and then click mo na yung add funds. As of the moment, ang ina-accept lang natin is Trend token. Click mo lang yan. And ito na yung ating mode of payment. So, kailangan mo lang ng Trend token. At yun yung isasend mo dito sa wallet address na to. Ayan. And kung wala ka pang Trend token, meron tayong pre-sale, which is ongoing now. Okay? So, pwede kang mag-buy ng pre-sale. Sa pre-sale natin, ang price is 0.001 per Trend token. So, pwede ka rin mag-claim ng free Trend token. So, nandito yan sa Telegram. Nag-post na ako dito. Ayan. Click mo lang ito, guys. Free airdrop. Ayan. Claim free airdrop. Okay. So, yan. Kailangan mo lang dito ng gas fee to claim your free airdrops. Kakopy mo lang tong link na to, guys. And, punta ka na sa iyong MetaMask. Alright. And dito sa browser, click mo lang yan. Okay? So, hold on. So, kailangan naka BNB Smart Chain tayo, no? So, punta ka muna sa wallet mo and then select mo yung network. Select mo yung BNB Smart Chain. Okay? And then, balik ka na sa browser. Tapos, click mo yung plus. Ayan. And then dito, type mo na or i-paste mo na yung airdrop link. So, pwede ka na mag-claim ng Trend token. Okay? Ang gas fee natin, nasa 21 cents, which is only cost like 11 or 12 pesos. So, every claim, kailangan mo lang ng 12 pesos, but in BNB. Okay? Kung ayaw mo naman, kasi syempre, every claim is 100, unlimited yan guys. It's up to you. Kung marami kang pang gas fee, you can claim as much as you can. Okay? So, limited claim yan, guys. And, kung gusto mo naman, no, mag-buy ng pre-sale, so, if we compute kasi, guys, sige, mag-compute tayo. Right here. So, every claim is 100. Kung mag-claim tayo ng 10 times, that's 1,000. So, ibig sabihin, kung 12 pesos per claim times 10, That's 120. Divide natin sa 58. So, nagbayad tayo ng $2 for 1,000 tokens. Eh, what if kung bibili ka sa pre-sale, yung $2 mo, divide natin yan sa 0.001. So, 2,000 yung mababayad ng $2 mo. So, up to you. Kung gusto mo mag-claim, gas fee yung babayaran mo, mas konti maka-claim mo. Pero, end of the day, it's free. Okay? And, by the way, natatapos ang ating airdrop and at the same time yung pre-sale. After the first or phase 1 ng pre-sale, ang magiging price na ng trend token natin is 0.01. Okay? And then, the listing price will be 0.1 or 10 cents. Okay, pataas na pataas yan guys. So, magiging tradable to once na nilagyan ko na siya ng liquidity sa PancakeSwap. And, by the way, ang purpose ng ating pre-sale is, yun, para magkaroon nga tayo ng budget to add sa liquidity. Once na may liquidity na yan guys, people can trade the trend token. And if you hold trend token or if you buy trend token at this price, super cheap. Okay? So, yun, that's the ways on how to get trend token. And available din pala guys, no, bago ko makalimutan yung ating private sale. So, sa private sale naman, ang price ng ating trend token is 0.0008. But, there is a limit. Okay? $100 worth of trend token yung minimum buy natin. So, time is 100. Okay, hold on. So, 100, i-divide natin sa 0.0008. So, 125,000 yung mabibili mo na trend token. What if sa launch day, hinold mo lang yan, diba? Times natin sa 10 cents. So, meron kang 12,500 USDT. But you need to wait, okay? Until na malis natin yan. And, say for example, ayaw mong mag-wait ng matagal, no? So, you have 125,000. Times natin sa phase 2 ng pre-sale natin is 0.10. 0.01 pala. So, meron kang 1,250. So, it's up to you guys. Okay? And by the way, yung private sale natin, which is, yun nga, sabi ko nga 0.008 yung price. Limited lang to. Limited time offer lang to guys. I will announce later. Maybe end of January, i-end na natin yung private sale. So, mabibili nyo na lang si trend token sa pre-sale, phase 1 and phase 2. Okay? So, tinuro ko lang sa inyo kung paano ka makakapag-avail ng trend token. Then, after that, pag meron ka ng trend token sa iyong mga wallet, pwede ka na mag-buy. Okay? So, dito, ang gagawin mo lang is to send your trend token here. Okay? So, 10,000 trend token is equivalent to 10 USDT. Okay? So, nandiyan naman. 1 USD is equivalent to 1,000 trend. So, kung $10 yung ipa-fund mo, kailangan mo ng 10,000 trend token. So, you can buy your trend token from pre-sale. Ito yung link for the pre-sale. Okay? So, puntahan din natin yung pre-sale. So, nandito siya. Okay? Again, you need to set your wallet sa sa BNB Smart Chain. So, ito yung pre-sale, guys. Ayan. And 44 days lang yung phase 1 natin. You can buy here using your USDT or BNB. So, yun. Pwede ka nang mag-buy ng trend token dyan. Okay? If you, say for example, USDT pinangbayad mo, yung $10 mo is equivalent to 10,000 trend token. So, kung 100, okay, 100,000 lang yan sa pre-sale. But if you buy on private sale, 125,000 yan. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo lang, screenshot after sending here. Tapos, kontakin mo lang yung support. So, click mo lang yung either WhatsApp or Telegram. Then, send your screenshot. Then, after that, meron ka ng funds. No? Magkakaroon ka na ng fund dito sa iyong wallet. So, pag may fund ka na, you can now start to buy packages. Alright. So, say for example, meron ka ng funds. Nakapag-buy ka na ng funds. So, here I have $20 or $21 worth of funds available sa aking dashboard. So, pwede na ako mag-buy ng package. So, ang gusto ko ngayon guys is to buy Facebook followers. Okay? So, Facebook page followers. So, hanapin natin yan. Ayan. So, ito na siya. Facebook page follow. So, ito guys, non-drop. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya bababa. Wala nang nag-unsubscribe or nag-unfollow. So, 10.2 USD. So, ito tayo sa Facebook follow. Okay? So, kunin natin yung link ng aking Facebook. So, ito yung kukunin ko na, ayan, bibilhan ko siya ng followers. So, nasa 1.8K lang yung followers ko dito, no? So, copy mo lang yung link ng iyong Facebook page or Facebook profile. It's up to you. Okay? So, dito, ipipaste natin sa link. Ayan. So, ito yung aking Facebook page which has 1.8 followers. So, kailangan ko ng 1,000 followers additional. So, magiging 2.8 followers dapat yung aking Facebook. So, ang price niyan is $10.20. So since I have $20 balance here, ayan, magagamit ko na siya, no? So, 1,000 followers. Okay? So, i-create ko na yung order. Alright, so yun. Successful na. And eto na guys, no? I will have 1,000 plus 1,000 followers. Okay? So guys, ito, pag hindi niya na-fulfill yung order, i-refund ni Trend with Threads yung ating pera. Okay? So, check mo lang, no, kung ilan yung followers mo. So, pag hindi nadagdagan yan, ibig sabihin, hindi siya na-fulfill yung order. So, i-refund yun automatic. Nakikita mo siya sa balance mo. So, dugtong ko na lang yung video natin. Siguro after few hours or after 1 day. So, to follow up kung ilan yung naging followers ko. Alright, so ito guys, after mga 5 hours lang. So, fulfilled na yung orders. And, let's log in my account. Ayan, so punta tayo dito sa orders. And ito na guys. So, fulfilled na 1,000 followers sa Facebook account. So, titingnan natin yung Facebook here. Ayan, ito yung binili natin for just $10.20. So, let's go to my Facebook account. And search natin yung Baby Snow page. Alright, so yan. From 1.8K followers, now it has 2.8K followers. Okay, so ang bilis, diba? And I received a notification. Asan ba yan? So, login ko muna. So, I received a notification here. Congrats, you've reached 2.5K followers. So, this is real followers, guys. And according here, it's a non-drop package. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya bumababa. It only means it's a real follower. So, it's a big help, lalo na dun sa mga gusto ng ma-monetize ng mabilis ang kanilang mga accounts. So, hindi ka na maghihirap, hindi ka na magpupuyat, no? Hindi ka na mamimilit ng mga followers. So, automatic, meron ka na agad followers. So, i-share ko lang, guys. I have another account which is same system, same concept. So, it's Social Boosters. And ito, nagbayad ako dito before ng followers din. So, tingnan natin sa services. Ayan, tingnan natin yung services. Ayan, Facebook followers din. Okay? Pag kinlik mo yung service na yan, and look at this. So, Facebook followers, it will cost 100 followers only for $5, diba? So, napakalaki ng difference. Kasi dun kay Trends, ayan, $10 lang 1,000 1,000 followers. So, this is the huge advantage if you use Trends, okay, to boost your any social media account. So, hindi lang Facebook, guys. Maraming options dito like your TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, ayan, meron ding WhatsApp, marami din sa Telegram, diba? Telegram subscribers. So, napakalupit nito, guys. Okay? And again, this is just one of the products na ilo-launch ni Trends with Threads. So, isa lang to, guys, no? And it's part of the pre-launch. Okay? Habang hindi pa nalilist si Trend Token at napakamura pa lang niya, meron ka nang mapaggagamitan ng Trend Token, diba? So, nakaka-excite yung project na to. And abangan nyo, okay, soon, yung pinaka-main project natin, which is, it's like blockchain, play-to-earn music DApp, okay? And napakalupit nun. I'm very, very excited about that. Alam ko marami sa atin na music lover. So, by just listening to a music, pwede kang mag-earn ng Trend Token. And by that time, tradable na si Trend Token. Okay? Ang good news doon is, ang listing price ni Trend Token is 10 cents. So, ngayon, nasa 0.001 pa lang, no, ang isang Trend Token. So, mag-imbak na kayo ng Trend Token. Kasi pag nilaunch natin yung social media app na yun, wherein we can earn Trend Token, and at the same time, magkakaroon tayo doon ng mga pa-contest na mag-win ng USDT, something like that. Okay? So, basta abangan nyo guys. Sobrang excited ako doon. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng tip, no? Kung paano tatakbo yung system doon. So, sa mga music lover, pwede kayong mag-upload ng inyong mga songs. And magkakaroon tayo ng mga contest like, say for example, for that certain week, kung sino yung magkaroon ng 1,000 likes or comments, ay mag-win ng, say for example, $100 or 100 USDT. So, of course, ang pinaka-native token natin doon is Trend Token. So, isa lang yan guys, no? That will be our main project. And also, magkakaroon din tayo ng staking. So, ang ma-earn is Trend Token. So guys, sabi ko nga, this project, this token launch, okay, it's not a meme coin, it's not a shit coin, it's a utility coin na magra-run for long term. Even, for lifetime, diba? So, katulad ng mga altcoins dyan, katulad ni Bitcoin, but of course, BTC is the father of cryptocurrency. So, nothing can beat that. But there are lots of altcoins or cryptocurrencies na tumataas yung value. So, it's the same with Trend Token. Kaya ngayon pa lang, mag-avail na kayo ng Trend Token. And magagamit nyo yan sa maraming sa multi-platform natin. So, again, this is the native token of Trend with Threads. And there are lots of projects coming soon na ilo-launch ni Trend. Okay? So, yun lang guys. And, claim your free airdrop token. Follow nyo lang dito guys. Ayan. Nandito yung mga links. So, meron tayong link papunta sa pre-sale. Pwede kayong mag-buy. Kahit any amount pwede. I think minimum of $2. Makakapag-buy na kayo ng Trend token. Okay? Or kung gusto niyo naman, free lang. So, claim your free airdrop here. Okay? So, meron lang certain amounts na pag naubos na yun, tapos na yung airdrop natin. And then, dito sa pre-sale, pag naubos yung amount na yun, tapos na yung pre-sale 1 or pre-sale phase 1, i-open natin yung phase 2, which is mas mataas na yung value ng Trend Token. Okay? And that's it. This is just the beginning, guys. It's a non-stop innovation. Kaya huwag kayong pahuli. Okay? Join us. This is a lifetime project. And that's it. Okay? So, again, keep in touch. Stay in my channel. And I'll keep you posted. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.